Hi, this is Frederick Asari. I want to urge you all to subscribe to Asante Kotoko YouTube channel for all your updates. Thank you.
That was what I thought. Sometimes you also have to voice out something so that whether the two can be put together. So when the two put together, then you get the right decision to take the next time. I think going forward, read this one. Honestly, you are late. You have to start. Hurry up. There's a board there. Hey, what happened? Wait. What happened? Bring them go to see other. Our penalty spot on our head. But I'm for overborn crowd and I'm being prepared for it. And see about the ball. So what were you watching? You were watching only the ball and you forgot that there was an opponent in front of you. That should never be an error. That is it. So now you are here, he's here, and then a free header. The fortunate thing I said distance and a one, so you cannot score. But if you were to be here, if it were to be a voice, what is it? Friends. So both, as you watch him too. Why? Friends, go. That time not going to
But over the year, depending on matter, no, you can't. That's all. I say, who could you go online? So do line also as a book crowd.